So we issued a subterranean termite damage repair guarantee on this house, and what we did is we installed the Sentricon bait station, which is this device right here. It is a colony elimination system, and we get a lot of questions from people that have the guarantee and want to know what's included in the service. Well, I'm going to show you today what one of the things are that we do is a bait station inspection. So what I do is I'm going to go around and inspect. I'm going to open up each bait station. This is what that bait station looks like opened up. This is the cap. It's got a sensor in it, which we use what looks like a metal detector to find this cap. And whoops. And then inside the housing itself is what's called Recruit HD. It's a concentrated bait matrix which has the active ingredient novaflumaron impregnated into it, and that's what the termites like to eat. And it's not a restricted use pesticide. You can handle it. It's got a ring gauge on the bottom that tells us about when we should replace the bait. So when I open up each bait station and I pull this bait out, if that bait itself is smaller than that ring gauge, then we go ahead and replace the bait at that time. So I'm going to go ahead and get started on opening up the bait stations on this house. So here is our first bait station, and of course it's got a little mulch covered on it, but what we do is we remove that cap. We'll scan the barcode and then pull the bait out. That bait looks like it's okay. I don't see any issues with that. So then we will reinstall the bait if we don't have to replace it. And I think there's 26 bait stations on this property, so we'll go around and inspect every individual bait station. So we know that over a year's time, we only inspect these bait stations once a year, so we know over a year's time that mulch is going to get, the bait stations are going to get covered with mulch, or grass is going to grow up around it, and you're not going to be able to see it. So that's why we have this locator. So we just use the locator to locate everything, and if we can't find it, that way we know that there it is, and there we go, we found that one.